What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Check it out. All right, guys, so let's jump into this. We got the SPY doing all sorts of crazy stuff lately. Here we go from the 12th to the 13th, downtrend, 13 or 14, downtrend. And then yesterday we had a real nasty, drop. And remember, I showed you this on the daily chart, this level I had drawn out here like a long time ago. And we had just such a crazy bounce. This is an hourly chart. I just put that hourly chart there so you could see, a little bit bigger picture here. There's a big bounce, just a big bounce, and good volume, even really good volume at the close as we pushed up. And then, today in the morning, let me put this back where it goes. And today in the morning, we had a gap down. Had a little gap down from like this 285 area yesterday in after hours down here, all right, to these 282s. And in the morning, we initially had a drop and then boom, quick pop. And it's been strong. Every little dip has gotten bought. You can see here, push, dip, bought, push, dip, bought. Now we're we pushed again. Now we're dipping again. This is another old line I have here. It's funny. Look how it found resistance right there. We'll see what it decides to do today. There's all sorts of stuff going on. You got China retaliating against U.S. companies, U.S. tech companies, and just all sorts of crazy macro stuff going on. And SPY still, it's look at this. It's still hanging in there. Like, my expectations after this massive drop, okay, was initially, okay, boom, we popped. Understood. We started to drop again. And I thought, we're going to come back down here and at least test the zone. Nope. Powell started printing money. Just goes the printer. And, he just started pushing the market up with all this printed money, just pushing the market up. It became so easy. Not as easy as smashing the like button, guys. So make sure you do that for me. Really helps out the channel. And it just started to now kind of like sideways, go sideways here. And my expectations, like I said yesterday, are still a pullback to at least this zone right here, this 260 zone, 262, 263, maybe 260, 265, just this zone. I want to start adding some more stuff in my long-term stuff here. And if we get down here again, maybe I'll add some more, but I don't know. It just doesn't feel like we're going to see this zone again, this 250, unless something really bad happens, like another lockdown, where, all the states just get locked down again. And if that were to happen, there's no words. This will be a thing of the past, this 217 area. I think we'll just dump it right through there, and it'll get real nasty for a really long time. But, hopefully we can hold on to this zone right here and we can get down there. We'll see. So today I came into the day expecting a choppy day. And if you look at this Boeing chart, it's a choppy day. The SPY 3-minute is a lot cleaner, okay? A lot cleaner. But I expected it to be somewhat choppy. Like, you would have thought, okay, maybe we'll dump and then we get this big candle, and nope, we recover it right back up. Then we sideways, boom, back up. And now, it's pretty clean uptrend. So I expected somewhat choppy, difficult trade to the downside, and even to the upside. Honestly, I just felt like it'd be a choppy day, and Boeing has totally been choppy. Let me check out Tesla here real quick. Some of the stocks have been trading lately. Grinder but choppy. It's definitely been grinder but choppy. SRNE was a monster, but sadly I didn't trade SRNE. And let's see here. Look at that. That was a monster move from this fresh low right here, where it just found support. Look at this, that's 9 minutes at 383 bottom there before it just took off. Now, the float on SRNE is 127 million, and that's why I didn't even have it on my list. But this would have been a clean move here on this VWAP break in at 425, stop just underneath it and ride it on up. Look at this, all the way to 533. Could have taken some profit off up here at 468, 470, and then some more profit up here at $5, and maybe some more up here at 520, and held on to a little, see what happens. But that's just a monster right there, honestly. BLIN was a straight trash play. This thing opened up, pushed, and then completely dumped. Like, I wonder how many people chased this as it broke out here out of the bell and got dumped on, because that's nasty. That's nasty. These are 3-minute candles, but the 1 minute is just as bad. I tweeted a picture of it, so if you want to see that, check out the link in the description section below to my Twitter account, okay? Now, let's go ahead and jump into my actual trade of the day. Before we do me the quick favor and smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and comment in the comment section below. Let me know how your week went, or simply just say hi. It helps the channel out tremendously. Yesterday, I had somebody message me asking me, Jesse, we get so much value out of your channel. How can I support your channel? And I said, look, if you want to support my channel, all you have to do is smash the like button for me and comment in the comment section below, all right? If you do that and you're a subscriber, you help out the channel tremendously. If you want to go a little extra mile, check out the links in the description section below to like my scanners. Those are affiliate links, of course, and you have Webull there. You can download the app, fund your account with $100. You get one free stock valued between $1,200 to $1,400, and free trade. That one's there as well right now for the time being. And if you download that one and you open up an account, you automatically just get a free stock. You don't have to even fund it. So you could do that. I get a free stock if you get a free stock. So it works out, right? It's a win-win for us all. Now, I traded Boeing here. And I will admit, I was a little bit late on the trade, okay? I wanted to get this VWAP bounce here, but I wasn't at my desk. I had to step away for a split second. When I came back, we were already up here over the 9 EMA. And I felt we were going to go and try to close this gap. And if we closed the gap and pushed off of it, it was going to go, right? That was my thought process. So I said, you know what? I can't, and I know this was a little bit of a chase, but I had a clear-cut plan. And my clear-cut plan was very simple. I got in right at this 9 EMA, okay? I got in right at the 9 EMA, and I said, if we break underneath it, I'm going to lose probably like $30 on this, and I'll stop out of it right there, lose $30, and I'll watch and see if we're going to come back down to the VWAP. If we come back down to VWAP and hold it one more time, I'm going to go in full position and look for that move. That was my thought process. We held it and just went real quickly, and when we did, I started taking profits along the way and ended up with a nice base hit. I did miss out on getting short on the dump, but honestly there was no real short play here other than maybe this bounce to VWAP, getting short here, but that would have not worked out. And then if you would have said, okay, I'm going to get long here on this VWAP rebreak, that wouldn't have worked out because you broke underneath VWAP not once but twice. See, it's just really choppy, really choppy play on Boeing. So I won't touch this again. I do have the live trade, so let me grab that for you so we can go over it and we can see how it all played out. Let's see here. So here it is. Oh no, that's not it. Oops, and I exited it. Okay, that's not it. I was just recording here just so you could see. Oh, there you go. You see my orders there. Okay, let's get back to it. I believe it should be this one. Okay, perfect. So here we are. You see here how we were holding this 9 EMA, okay? After that VWAP bounce. I have 4 contracts. I'm looking to add 2 more. Okay, I'm looking to add 2 more, and I'm looking to start taking profits as we break over here. And I'm thinking, 122. These are 120 calls. So I'm thinking 122. This will be a really nice trade if this happens, if this plays out that way. So I'm in at 239 cost basis, and I'm looking to add 2 more for a total of 6 contracts here. Let's fast forward this just a tad here. See, I like the volume. Really good volume on this bounce. Really good volume. Really, like we have this, whatever this was, and then we go green. Real good volume on that green move, and we're holding on good volume. So I thought we'd have a shot. SPY was actually pushing at the same time, so I thought we had a shot at new highs. So I'm looking to add, there we go. I add 2 more, cost base is 251. And now we begin to get the move. But what I want you to notice is, you see this 285 on the ask? We just pushed up to a quick little new high. No real big movement here, and a pretty big spread, okay? 249 to 285. Last trade was at 274 there. So let's see. I know I put out an order here at 285. I wanted to get 290s. It didn't look like that was going to happen. See, I put 290 there on the ask. Doesn't look like it's going to happen. 282s. Last trade was at 282. So I put 285. And I get on the ask at 285. I still have 6 contracts. We're not pushing. You know, we're not pushing. I thought when we would break this, we would literally just boop, like one big candle to 122. But that doesn't happen there. Even here, look, we continue to grind it up and push up to new highs. Look at that. That's all new highs there. Okay, and we're still at 285 on the ask. Nothing happening. And these were the best, you know, calls in that zone that that had good volume. So right there, I get from my, remember, I'm on the ask. I get 1 contract filled. Watch. Look, we're at 6. Boom. We get one contract only filled at 285. I was like, really? Come on. Continue moving this. Now we have 5 contracts left. I don't realize. I thought I had 5 on my quantity here, but I had 4 because I thought that I was going to get the two that I had put on the ask at 285. Oh, look, for a second there was 293 on the ask, but the spread is so wide that the last trade on it I'm seeing here is 273. See, partial fill. So there we go. Now I bang out of, you know, the 4, and then I have 1 left, and I take a little loss on that 1, and that was it. That was my trade, and I'll show you here. Lost $11 on that last one. Lost $11 on that last one. Made $87 on these 4, 42 here. So $119 on the day. Nice base hit. Not going to complain one bit about that. You know, I come in here looking for those base hits. If I get them, great. This week I've gotten a lot more than base hits, but I've come in looking for the base hits. And when you look for the base hits, the bigger days come mixed in. So today's just a base hit day, and it's Friday, and I'm going to end it right there. I'm super happy with it. I'm going to take it. Been a good week, solid performance all around. And I'm going to go ahead and start to get ready to enjoy the weekend. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And I'll catch you on the next one.